In 2025, being a smart student isn't just about studying hard, it's about using the right tools. Whether you're managing assignments, organizing your goals, or building your skills, these 5 free tools will level up your game. Tool number 1, Notion. It's your all-in-one digital notebook. You can take smart notes, create task lists, plan your weekly schedule, and even work with classmates on group projects. Notion helps you stay organized and productive, without any clutter. Tool number 2, Canva. Designing resumes, presentations, posters, and even Instagram posts has never been easier. With drag-and-drop simplicity and tons of free templates, you don't need design skills to look professional. Tool number 3, ChatGPT. Need help understanding a topic? Want to brainstorm ideas? Or just stuck on an assignment? ChatGPT can guide you, generate content, or help you learn faster, like having a 24/7 tutor in your pocket. Tool number 4, Grammarly. Writing a paper, sending an email, or applying for a job. Grammarly helps you write clearly, confidently, and mistake-free, whether it's grammar, tone, or clarity. Tool number 5, Trello. A visual task board that helps you manage projects, study goals, or group assignments. Drag cards, set deadlines, and stay on top of everything, from coursework to personal goals. Let's recap. Notion for planning, Canva for design, ChatGPT for learning, Grammarly for writing, and Trello for managing tasks. Which tool are you going to try first? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SkillFix Academy for weekly tips to upgrade your skills.